Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore the exciting journey to becoming a millionaire. I'll be sharing practical strategies and key mindsets that will bring you closer to your financial goals. Let's embark on this journey towards success. The first step to becoming a millionaire is defining your financial objectives. Set clear and realistic goals for each stage of your life. Visualize where you want to be in 5, 10, and 20 years. A clear vision will guide you towards success. Education is an invaluable investment in yourself. Keep learning and develop skills relevant to your field. Financial education is especially crucial. Understand how markets, investments, and money management work. Diversifying your income sources is key. Alongside your primary job, seek opportunities for passive income, such as investments, rentals, and online businesses. Diversification safeguards your wealth and enhances growth prospects. Financial discipline is essential. Create a solid budget and stick to it. Avoid unnecessary debt and practice moderation in spending. Systematic saving brings you closer to the millionaire goal. Mindset is as crucial as strategies. Cultivate a positive mindset focused on solutions. Learn to treat failures as learning opportunities. Persistence and determination will take you far. Well-planned investments are a proven path to wealth. Research and understand various investment vehicles like stocks, real estate, and entrepreneurship. Consult experts and never put all your eggs in one basket. Philanthropy and contribution can propel your success. As you accumulate wealth, consider how you can positively impact others and society at large. Generosity often opens doors and connects you with influential individuals. Becoming a millionaire doesn't happen overnight. Keep your focus on your goals and be patient. Persist despite challenges and celebrate achievements on the journey to financial success. Thank you for joining us on this journey to becoming a millionaire. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all path, but education, discipline, and mindset are fundamental pillars. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content related to financial and personal success. Do you have questions or suggestions? Leave them in the comments. Until the next step toward financial greatness.